Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Jennifer Gaida, and this is Kennedy Countdown. Installation of small satellites called CubeSats continues in the Orion spacecraft adapter at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Technicians from the center's Exploration Ground Systems and contractor Jacobs are working with CubeSat developers to secure the shoebox-sized secondary payloads inside Orion's stage adapter. Once complete, teams will connect the stage adapter to the Space Launch System rocket's interim cryogenic propulsion stage. When the CubeSats deploy during the Artemis 1 mission, they will conduct science experiments and technology demonstrations to expand our knowledge of the lunar surface. Work is underway to get NASA's Lucy spacecraft ready for launch at the Kennedy Space Center. Workers unpacked the spacecraft from its shipping container and moved it onto a dolly to begin testing and checkouts. Lucy will be the first space mission to study Jupiter's Trojan asteroids, which may be remnants of the primordial material that formed the outer planets of our solar system. Lucy will study 8 different asteroids over a 12-year span. The spacecraft is scheduled to launch on a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station on October 16th. Kennedy's Launch Services program will manage the launch. To keep up with Kennedy, check us out on social media at nasa.gov/Kennedy.